It is with profound sadness that I join this august chamber in celebrating the life of a distinguished public servant and legacy of an extraordinary woman, Senator Santanina Tila Rasul. Itinuturing ko pong pangalawang magulang si Senator Nina dahil siya po ay tumayong ninang sa aming kasal ng aking may bahay na si Presi noong 1989. Mapalad ang aking ama, si dating Pangulong Joseph Estrada, dahil nakasama niya nung ikawalong kongreso ang kauna-unahang babaeng Muslim na nahalal bilang senador. I can only imagine the level of discourse and debates that she engaged in during those times, given her unique background and viewpoints that certainly enriched the plenary deliberations. Being an honor student all her life during her elementary up to college days, and is armed with vast experience in public service as a public school teacher who eventually engaged in executive and legislative work from the local government up to the office of the president. A visionary leader and trailblazer, Senator Nina was undeniably ahead of her time. She broke barriers in a traditionally male-dominated political landscape, paving the way for greater representation of women in governance. You catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. That was her favorite catchphrase, according to her daughter Amina. And that's how she got things done in the Senate in the 8th and 9th Congresses. Pinairal niya ang pagiging nanay, kapatid sa pakikitungo sa kanyang mga kasamahan para makangalap ng suporta sa kanyang mga isinusulong ng mga panukalang batas. Tinaguruan siyang puso ng Senado dahil sa kanyang malasakit at hindi matatawarang dedikasyon sa kapakanan ng mga nasa marginalized sector, lalong-lalo na sa mga kababaihan, kabataan at mga komunidad sa Bangsamoro region. Inclusivity, upliftment of the status of women, and promotion of quality education marked her legislative accomplishments, which benefited generations of Filipinos. Her commitment to the cause of literacy and accessible education for all as an anchor for sustainable national development continued outside the halls of the Senate through the Magbasa Kita Foundation. And as I joined the nation in mourning the loss of an accomplished stateswoman, patriot, and Filipina, this representation takes comfort in the fact that her legacy of selfless public service and a better Philippines lives on through the millions of Filipinos whose lives were positively transformed. My sincere condolences to the entire family, her wonderful grandchildren and siblings. Paalam, Ninang Nina. Baunin po ninyo ang aming pagpupugay at pasasalamat sa inyong tapat na serbisyo sa ating bansa. Maraming salamat po.